This video is a brief overview of Genero Studio, the graphical integrated development environment for Genero. Genero Studio consists of these integrated components: Project Manager, Form Designer, Code Editor, Report Writer, Application Generator, the Graphical Debugger, Code Analyzer, and other tools such as a graphical differential, search and replace, and file browser. These components help create and manage applications and projects. You can use Genero Studio locally for single or multiple users, or set up remotely, facilitating working in teams. Genero Studio organizes the user interface into panels or views. These views display information about the component that you're currently using. The menus and toolbars across the top provide easy access to common tasks. You can move the toolbars around and customize them. Use Tools, Preferences to manage the toolbar and menu actions that Genero displays. The Projects view on the left shows the current project. Opening a project file, a 4PW, automatically launches Project Manager. This view displays the files, such as source and schema files, organized into groups within the project. The Project Manager opens and compiles source code files, builds programs and libraries, debugs code with the Graphical Debugger, and runs programs. Genero Studio integrates source code management. If a project is under source code control, icons on the project nodes indicate the status of the files. You can check out and manage files in the Subversion repository. Use the additional tabs in the Project Manager to view the database schema file associated with the project. Navigate the file system using the file browser. The Central Documents view displays the current document, while other open documents are accessible by the tabs across the top of this view. Genero does much of the work in the Documents view. Create a user interface using Form Designer, create a report using a drag-and-drop report designer, or automatically generate the source code for an application using Business Application Modeling. The Structure view displays the structure of the current document. For code files, it shows the code structure, variables, functions, and so on. For form files, it shows the structure of the form and its elements, such as containers and data fields. For database schema files, it displays the schema's tables, columns, and data types. For reports, it displays the structure of the report. Selecting a node in the Structure view will populate the Properties view below it with the values of the properties specific to that node. The Search and Replace view is also, by default, available as a tab in this location. You can reorganize or close the views to suit your needs. Double-clicking on a panel undocks it. Double-clicking again will dock it back to its last docked location. Toggle to and from a document editing view with Alt F11. Select or clear which panels to display with the Window Views menu. Genero displays all messages in the Output view. Note the tabs for document errors and the display of search results. Use the eraser to clear the output messages. The Task Manager to the right shows the task in progress. Abort a task with the Abort button. Use the Configurations list to display your program as either a desktop application or through one of the many web browser theme options, including HTML5. Modify or add new configurations by selecting the wrench icon. Press the F1 key or click the Help button to display Genero Studio's online context-sensitive help. In the Help browser, documentation sets are available for all the Genero components. Use Genero Studio to visually design, develop, view, and manage your Genero applications.